Hi, here's another video. Once again, we've got this KingSong S22 Pro Unicycle, e-Unicycle. This suspension is bottoming out over jumps, so what I'm going to do is raise the ride height via the suspension. So let me just put these two bricks on that so the wheel's nice and free, as you can see here. So I need the wheels to drop down. I'll put the bricks. I'm resting the device on the bricks on the batteries. Okay, let me just show you here. There's 3 screws on each side, which here, this adjusts the ride height of the device. This is on the lower height, and this is how it came. What I'm going to do is raise it up and give it a try. Let me just speed this section up. There's 3 bolts on each side, which adjust the ride height. As you can see, I've got the bracket loose there, and you saw the wheel just fall down. Okay, got it nice and loose. You can see how far it's dropped. There's 7 bolts. This is where it was, and this is where I'm going to put it. This is where I'm going to raise it to, just 3 high. There's another level, but I'm not going to go that high. So it's just a matter of lining the bolt holes up on both sides, as I'm trying to do here. Just trying to put the bolts in manually first, and then I'm going to tighten them all up. And I've got to do this on the left and the right simultaneously. Okay, I've got them lined up on both sides. You're looking at the right hand side. So what I'm going to do is just tighten them up here, as you can see. And let me just fast forward this section. It's got a thread lock on, so it doesn't undo. Okay, I've got that nice and tight. Just finish off here. Satisfied with that, and I've got the other side tight also. Let's give you a close up. You can see how high I've risen it. See these sides up also, and nice and tight. The only thing I've discovered, there's a couple of screws missing from the mudguard here. So I'm going to see if I can find 2 and put them in. 4 screws, which I have done. I'm just fitting them here to stop the mudguard from rattling. And let me just show you here. You can see the ride heights raised quite significantly. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.